I'm deliberately going to take a slightly contrarian view. I've been, hearing people talk about women issues and gender and the things we can do, the things we can't do. I just think, we're all in it together. There's a lot of stuff we do, we're professionals, and there's a lot of stuff we do, there's a lot of stuff we should be doing, as some people spoke about. But there has to be, change is subtle. You can't wake up tomorrow and say, starting tomorrow, women shouldn't be in skirts. So that's all superficial. Don't dress women up. For me, it's a mindset. What can we do as people? It doesn't matter what you see, what you show. If communication, and I don't mean just advertising, I mean poetry, I mean literature, I mean, editorials in newspapers, anything. If you can influence people to change the way they think, then even in the bad or even in the worst stereotypical communication possible, there has to be some good, because as a country, we are still evolving. We're just open to new ideas of change. We're talking about it now. Maybe 20 years ago, we wouldn't even be talking about it. So I'm going to share pieces of work which you might stand up and say that's appalling. But I'd like to tell you that in that appallingness, there is some silver lining somewhere, because we are changing and we have to evolve. And I'm really proud of that. I've been in advertising for like 20 years now. And, when I started working, and that's just, a little thing before I go on. I joined Lintas, and Pops is sitting here. He was my first boss. And there was another trainee writer with me, a guy. And he used to tell me, I used to live in Malabar Hill, I used to go to work, and he used to tell me, like, do you wear perfume and come to work? So I was like, yeah. And then he said, you paint your nails. And I said, yeah. And he said, you're never going to go far. So I said, why? And he said, you're a woman, you're a writer, you want to make it big in advertising, you have to look the part. Don't wash your hair, don't dress up, wear shabby clothes, because your boss will never take you seriously. I mean, you're not meant to. Why do you dress up? It just shows you spend too much time on it. I still paint my nails. I might not dress up, but I've been here for 20 years. I love every bit of it. Yes, there are good days and bad days, but overall, if you want to make change and you want to communicate, and that's what it is, then really this is where it is. I've called it Men on Top, because I think we've been conditioned, not just us, not just India, everywhere in the West. There's a certain, we've spoken about it, it's a mindset. There are men, we've grown up with them, they've been with us since we were kids, there's so many of them in the room. There's a certain conditioning that we live with. And unfortunately, that perpetuates our thinking and what we do. So who are these women really? It's the first lap of my presentation. I saw this amazing print ad. It's old, of course. It's terribly offensive. I mean, look at her expression. But look at the line below. It just says, you mean, and for some reason, the woman bit has been underlined. And it says, you mean a woman can open it. It's just a can. It's a can of what? Tomato sauce. But the whole joy for the woman is that she can open it. This is what print advertising used to be. And Sonal is smiling at me. But this is what print advertising used to be earlier. No, I know. This is images. This is print ads from what's happening. Yes, way beyond, but they've done it. Keep her where she belongs. I love that. It's a BMW ad. It's a huge global brand. There's a woman with a magazine on her face, and it says the ultimate attraction. It doesn't matter who she is. This is communication. This is out there. These are big brands worldwide. You know about BMW? It's a great car. You still buy it. This is the kind of stuff they do. I love this one. It says, don't worry, darling, you didn't burn the beer. There's a woman, she's in tears, she's in the kitchen, she's sobbing. And the husband's like, it's okay, and there's the beer. You can see the beer at the bottom. It's a beer ad. Offensive, yes. Funny, yes. Ironical, yes. Makes you think a little bit. It'll blow your mind away. It's just a burger, for God's sake. Look at the expression, look at it. So, on the face of it, it's imagery. There are lines. There's so many things that are working in multiple layers. It's where she is, what she's wearing, the kind of, the way she's been photographed, including the red on her lipstick, all perpetuating a certain myth that, if you're a woman, you know where your place is meant to be. And this is the kind of stuff that we've done, the industry has done, not just in India. This is what's happening across the world. I have some films to show you, just in terms of how women are perceived. Somebody spoke about beauty and said, why is it that you have to, this whole concept of beauty and what you adhere to. So these are a few commercials. think the agency should be applauded. I've put it up there because I agree with what Geeta says. Women need to be protected underneath all the fact that, you know, there's a brand that's done a really positive thing, but you're reinforcing something which bothers me a little bit, that why don't you have women soldiers to protect women, for instance? And there, again, it's subtle, but there's something bothersome in something which is actually making such a big difference.
Just sit, Tiger.
I mean, you know, Sangeeta, where are you? She said, like, I mean, come on, he's just used Dio. On the other hand, she's a woman who's just got married. I don't know who she is, what her life is, but the fact that she can make a choice and she feels something, great. So see something in some kind of messaging that people are portraying. Don't look at it only in terms of, oh my God, she's melting. Yeah, but she's a bride and she can melt. So women have feelings and hey, you can do it. It's okay. You know what? It's allowed. There's another one. This is some stuff which is for women, you know, which is positive and really making a huge breakthrough in terms of change. This is Virginia Slims. Of course, you know, it's a secret, but it says we make it for women because they are biologically superior to men, so they've taken it head on. This is beautiful. Again, I can't read, my presentation is not in front of me, but it talks about how a woman is measured, and it's not about her, you know, her physical dimensions, but it's about her mind and her ingenuity, what she feels and what she thinks. There's something for Van Heusen done here, which is celebrating, you know, women power and who she is. And this is a really nice ad. Again, I can't read it loudly from here, but it talks about, so what if my butt is big? It's because it's big and because it sticks out and because it protrudes, I like it. This is the kind of stuff people are also doing in terms of, you know, evolving in terms of communication, getting women to be, not just celebrate the way they are in their bodies, but breaking stereotypes bit by bit. These are all gorgeous women, by the way. So don't for a minute think, you know, this is just communication that talks about a mind change and that's fantastic. They're showing really good looking women. But if you read between the lines, like I said again, it's a woman who's looking good. But if you go through the text, it's all about some kind of change which you make to make people feel differently, to think differently about yourselves, and hopefully to perpetuate change in the environment that we live in. I'm going to show you 3 ads, including a Fair and Lovely ad, which I know is very controversial. But I'd like to talk about, again, something good that probably came out from there and what it could be.
Very nice.
वो आज सुबह डस्टिंग करते हुए मुझसे तुम्हारी ट्रॉफी टूट गई।
टूट गई मतलब? तुमको 1000 बार कहा है कि मेरी चीजों से दूर रहा कर, तुम सुनते क्यों नहीं हो? स्कूल टाइम से संभाल के रखी थी उस ट्रॉफी को मैंने, टूट गई। मैं कभी तुम्हारी चीजों को हाथ लगाता हूं? हाथ लगाता हूं मैं? तो मेरी ट्रॉफी को हाथ लगाने की जरूरत क्या थी?
सॉरी।
वाह, सॉरी।
आइंदा घर में क्रिकेट मत खेलना।
सॉरी मामा।
सो जाओ।
माँ हमारे लिए कितना कुछ करती है ना, तो चलो रोज एक गिलास दूध पिएं और हेल्दी रहें, ताकि बड़े होकर हम भी उनका ख्याल रख सकें। मदर डेयरी, माँ जैसा कोई नहीं।
You know, when somebody sent me this ad because it's awful. Look at the way he's talking to her. I am so proud of it because it's so much about what being a woman is. So, you know, you can have people who will say that, you know, he's berating her and he's ready to, you know, abuse her and he's ready to hit her and she's, you know, cowering down. But if you again read a little bit below the lines, what is she doing? She is such a toughie that she's taking the flag for her little boy. And that's what you should celebrate in communication. Don't look at stuff for what it is. Understand there are not just teams behind it, but there are people who are trying to make something of a difference. So yes, on the face of it, you cringe. On the other hand, he'd probably turn around and be abusive to his kid. But a woman is strong enough to take that. And I think that's great, and that's what you should be applauding.
बेटे, कल तुम्हें लड़के वाले देखने आ रहे हैं।
पर माँ, हाँ? मेरी त्वचा। दीदी, इंस्टेंट उजलापन चाहिए? तो ये लो। ये?
साधारण क्रीम असर दिखाए 5 दिनों में, पर बजाज CFL से पाइए बस 1 सेकंड में कमाल का उजलापन। बजाज CFL सब कुछ रोशन कर दे।
So extremely derogatory or hugely enjoyable. I mean, it's a light bulb, for God's sake. And that's really the end of my presentation. It's not men or anybody, but I think if you're evolving, if you want to be part of this, it is women on top. It depends on which way you see it. It can be the the reversal of the W, and it can be the M, because that's the way a certain section of society wants to perceive communication. Or you can see it through me, like me, or maybe other women like me, who find even the most offensive thing having something on it which can promote a subtle change, perhaps. We finally do in communication what's happening around us, and that's what has to change. And that's what I want to leave you really with. The M can become the W can become the N. Just enjoy it. That's it. I'm done. Thank you.